Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a payment method into your Coinbase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a payment method into your Coinbase anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your contractors require you pay them in cryptocurrency. So maybe you want to add a payment method into your Coinbase to be able to purchase that crypto before sending. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Coinbase and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a payment method, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop down and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this little menu here on the left. So you're going to scroll down until you see payment methods. Once you click there, you're going to see all the payment methods you might have already approved. However, to add another payment method, click here on add a payment method. It's in blue. All right, next they're going to show you all the different methods you can add a payment method. So bank account, debit card, PayPal, wire transfers, gift card. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add my Okay, next PayPal opens up a browser. So I need to confirm that I want to connect to my Coinbase. If you're going to be adding a different payment method, it's going to be similar process. You're going to need to enter in your debit card information or your banking information. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my payment method has now been added. So if I want to use it to buy crypto on Coinbase, it shows me my limit over here on the right side. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a payment method into your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.